Dear students, today I am going to solve the chapter CCE test paper. This exercise, the first question is evaluate. All questions are very easy and on the same basis which you have solved earlier. Here the solutions of question number 1 is 3 to the power minus 4. As we know, the reciprocal of this number is 1 by 3 to the power 4. So when you multiplied it 1 upon 4 times, you will get 1, and 3 to the power 4, it means 3 3 are 9, 9 9 are 81. So this one your answer. In question number 5, the solutions of it, 5 by 7 to the power 0. In any rational number or in any integers, when the exponent is in the place of exponent is 0, so the value of this rational number is always 1. But my question is how? How the answer always be 1? Very simple. 5 by 7 to the power, suppose 5 by 7 to the power 3 divided by 5 by 7 to the power 3. In such a case, 5 by 7 to the power 3 minus 3 in division, so exponent will be subtracted, and here 5 by 7 to the power 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, then your answer will be 1. Hope it is very important, and so many students have failed to do. They know the value but they can't explain it, so it is necessary for you to learn it. In question number 2, see here, the question is given, so minus 2 to the power 3, when you multiplied it, so it will 8 and 27. The given rational number will be written here is as a reciprocal of it. So minus 27 by 8 to the power 2. So minus 27 into minus 27, 729. So 27 into 27, in both places minus is negative sign is given, so minus minus plus, so it is better for you to write down 729 by 8 8 is 64, and this one the answer. Hope it is clear. See, in question number 3, simplify 3 to the power minus 1 plus 6 to the power minus 1 divided by 3 by 4 to the power minus 1. So it will be, write down here, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 is divided by 4 by 3, because here negative exponent is minus 1. So this rational number will be written as a reciprocal of it. Take the LCM, 6, 2 plus 1 divided by 4 by 3. Here 3 by 6 into 3 by 4. 3 2 ja, and this answer is 3 by 8. This one the value of it. Am I right? यहाँ पे in question number 4, by what number should minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 be divided so that the quotient is 4 by 9 to the power minus 2? Here, let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. So, according to question, minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 divided by x is equal to 4 by 9 to the power minus 2. This one the question. So when you solve it, minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 divided by 4 by 9 to the power minus 2 is equal to x. When you transpose it, so here x will transpose it here and such number will transpose it to here in the place of x. Their place will be the same. When you write so minus 3 by 2 to the power 3 divided by 9 by 4 to the power 2. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, minus 27 by 8 into 4 4 ja 16 and 9 9 ja 81. 8 2s are and 27 3s are. So minus 1 into 2 by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3. And this one the value of that required number is x. So the value of x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Therefore the value of x is equal to here. See here in question number 5, a of 5, by what number should minus 3 to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product becomes 6 to the power minus 1? Again you will write, let the required number be x. According to question, by what number? So minus 3 to the power minus 1 into x so that the product becomes 6 to the power minus 1. And these questions you will have to simplify. Here minus 1 by 3 into x is equal to 1 by 6. Minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 6. Minus 6x is equal to 3. So the value of x is equal to 3 by minus 6. So you may write so. Minus 1 by 2 is the value of x. So by what number? Here minus 1 by 2 should be multiplied by minus 3 to the power minus 1 so that the product becomes 6 to the power minus 1. And the last question, express each of the following in standard forms. 345, only 345. How will you write? 345. So 3.45 into 10 to the power after 2, 10 to the power 2. Clear? And in question number 3, 0.000003. Very simple. When you write it, 3 by 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3 into 10 to the power minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one, the answer of it, and we can express this number in this way. So all types of questions is given, and in test paper 2 you will see from question number 7 to 14 all questions are easy, which you can easily solve it. Hope wherever you have a problem, so you may write it in the comment box or in my live classes. That time you will ask the same questions in your problem. On that classes, my live classes is only for your problem solving classes. So hope you will do so. Thank you. Have a nice day.